Hi, in this video we will create the confirmed cases ban and also ban for confirmed deaths. So as we have created three charts, so we have done three tasks for the COVID-19 dashboard. So first task we have done is map chart, second chart is the confirmed cases bar chart, and third is confirmed deaths bar chart. So before creating the ban, as you can see here, the labeling on the bar chart here and here also. So before creating the band, let's just make a little bit labeling. So here what I'll just do, I'll click on label, and after that I'll click here, and I'll simply take this country region and I'll paste it in front of the sum of cases. Then I'll click on OK, and after that I'll go to alignment and select the middle. So now we can see here the labeling is now looking good, and also we can do the same for the second bar chart, which is now just we have to click on the labels, copy this, and we have to paste in front of the now click on apply. Okay, now go to this alignment and select in the middle. So we can see now that this task has been done. Now let's create a ban. So in order to create a ban, I'll take the sum of cases and drop it onto the text. So now we can see here we get the ban, the total number of cases, and now we just only want the confirmed cases. So I'll take the case type. Now I'll select the confirm, apply, okay, and after that I'll, I'll go to again text, and here I'll set the title, which is confirm cases, and make it a little bit bold and increase the size as 16, and sum of cases is 18. And also I'll change the color over here, blue for the sum of cases, and the now click on apply. So now we get the confirm cases as well, and after that click here, select entire view, and now go to text again, click on the alignment and select middle. So this is how we can create the ban. So as we can see here, the ban for the confirmed cases has been done. Now we will create the ban for the confirmed death. So I'll simply right click on the sheet and select the duplicate. And now we get the duplicate sheet over here. I'll go to my filter again and edit filter. And instead of confirm, I'll take only death. In the after clicking on the deaths, click on apply and okay. So now we get the confirm case, confirm that ban. So I'll go to text again and change the heading to the confirm ban on apply, and also I'll change the heading. So this is how we can create the ban. So and also we can set the title over here in the. So the ban part is done, and in the next part we will create the dashboard for the COVID-19. And thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.